trip. Hey.
Let go.
Son, Holy Spirit.
Okay, stop. Yeah! I wonder if we can get it back. Morning guys, so we're going on another road trip. I am so excited.
Ah, good times, good times.
Guess where we're going? Take one guess. We're gonna have fun. Beaches are open.
Oh, I remember like it was yesterday, really.
Curfew has given us 1 more hour, so best believe we're gonna live it up. We're going to live it up. Road trip. Hi.
If I was a person, it would be him. Meet PJ.
Hi.
Go to Rich Sure. Let's chill like that, man. What's that, coach? You've been doing yes, great.
Ah, we look so happy. Okay, I'll stop this, guys. Let's start the road trip.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely.
I have to actually see this because KFC is empty.
Oh, yeah. Listen up. This is my empty KFC. Where?
Empty KFC.
Where that?
Where?
On our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So you have to raft over to the bathroom.
The wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands.
I'm gonna swim across.
I don't know what possessed me to say I could swim across.
Captain can't swim team.
Indeed, girl. Indeed.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Don't watch no face, P. You can do this.
A line is coming up, PJ.
Yeah.
God knows this is where it went downhill. Like.
You're not going to break your foot, trust me.
Break my foot. I didn't even think of that.
What?
Do it, Lexi. Do it.
In the name of Jesus.
Stop.
Just let
Father,
go.
Son, Holy Spirit.
Okay, stop.
Yes. Nudge you.
Let go.
Nudge you.
All these risks I'm taking today, jeez.
Like that.
So we are now at Bostonger. Not many people are here, but it looks like madness already. You can't even hear me doing. We can't get it back.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna end this real quick because there is something going on downstairs, but I'm safely home. Everyone's safely home. We had a great time, so yeah, it was crazy. It was crazy. I'm going straight to bed now, so guys, see you in the morning.